When you hear the word risk in investing, your brain probably screams danger. But really, your risk tolerance isn't just about how easily you panic. It's practical. It's about when you need the cash and how much of a market temper tantrum you can actually handle. Financial educator and founder of Long-Term Mindset, Brian Feroldi, breaks down popular investment options ranked from sleep easy safe to maybe I'll check my balance from behind the couch. Point 1. The safe zone. Let's start with the shallow end of the pool: money markets, treasuries, and bonds. Feroldi says, at the safe end of this spectrum are choices like cash, money markets, and U.S. treasuries. These are very low-risk assets but offer very little upside potential. Look, you won't be buying a yacht with these returns, but they serve a crucial purpose: stability. If you need that money in a few years, like, say, for a new car or a down payment, leaning conservative is just plain common sense. Point 2. Higher risk, higher reward. Where bigger growth is possible, at the high-risk end of the spectrum, you find assets that have the potential for spectacular returns. Think small-cap stocks, emerging market stocks, and venture capital. If you're investing for decades, you have the wonderful luxury of ignoring the drama. But be honest with yourself. Could you sleep at night if your portfolio dropped 30%? If you can, these are the engines that could build serious long-term wealth. Point 3. Real estate, the center of the investing spectrum. Feroldi places real estate near the midpoint because it offers a dual benefit: equity growth from property appreciation and steady income from rent. It's definitely not risk-free. Managing property is basically a second job, and markets can turn sour. But historically, according to Feroldi, real estate has been a popular engine of wealth creation precisely because it straddles both sides of the risk-return equation. The ultimate pragmatic move? Diversification. It's like having a financial airbag. Spread your investments across the spectrum, so if one asset class is having a bad day, another can pick up the slack. Investing is about making smart, informed decisions that fit your life, not following hype. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.